How reliable do you think TikTok's shop system is? This is the question on many minds, as the surging popularity of TikTok's shop feature has caught the attention of entrepreneurs around the globe. It's a tantalizing prospect, isn't it? A platform with millions of active users, most of whom are highly engaged, providing a ripe market for businesses. But before you jump on the bandwagon, it's worth taking a moment to question the reliability of this system. After all, as the saying goes, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. There have been murmurs, whispers in the entrepreneurial community about some glitches in the matrix, so to speak. Some users have experienced issues that have left them questioning the integrity of the TikTok shop system. But what if we told you that TikTok's shop system might not be as trustworthy as you think? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into these issues in the next scene. Imagine having your account canceled without any reason or prior notice. Unbelievable, right? But this is exactly what's happening with TikTok's shop system. There have been countless instances where accounts have been unceremoniously canceled without a hint of a valid reason. Let's consider John, a budding entrepreneur, who one day woke up to find his TikTok shop account canceled. No explanation, no warning. Just like that, his business was left hanging in the balance. And it's not just John. There are many more like him who've seen their dreams get crushed overnight. This seemingly arbitrary cancellation of accounts is not just distressing, but also detrimental to the growth and survival of these businesses. What makes this situation even more alarming is the lack of transparency. If there are rules being broken, entrepreneurs deserve to know. They deserve a chance to rectify their mistakes. So, should you trust a system that can pull the plug on your business without a moment's notice? What's the takeaway from these issues with TikTok's shop system? It's not a question to be taken lightly, considering the recent wave of unjust account cancellations. The platform, known for its short, catchy videos, has ventured into the world of e-commerce. But it seems there are growing pains. TikTok's shop system, as it stands, is like a treacherous sea. Entrepreneurs eager to ride the wave of social commerce might find themselves capsized, their accounts mysteriously canceled. It's a risk that could cost not just your investment, but also your reputation. So, to those of you contemplating whether to set up shop on TikTok, a word of advice. Hold your horses. Wait for the dust to settle. Wait for TikTok to iron out the kinks in their system. Don't let the allure of a new marketplace blind you to the potential pitfalls. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Wait for TikTok to fix their system before you decide to set up shop.